What's up, everybody? So you clicked on this video because you want to know how to farm Lith-Relics. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the easiest way on how to farm Lith-Relics in Warframe. So let's begin. Heading to the navigator, you're going to want to head to the void, and you're going to want to go to this Hepit capture mission in the void. I recommend doing it on solo personally, and the Warframe that I would recommend for this is Titania Prime, or just Titania if you have her. Anyways, the mission you're going to want to go to is Hepit, so I'll see you guys once we are in the mission. Once in the mission, it's just like any other capture mission. You just have to head to the target, kill the target, capture the target, and then head to extraction. So this is the target right here. Just go ahead and kill him. He dies very easily. And then what I like to do after I kill the target is with Titania Prime, go to her 4th ability, pop the ability, and then simply just fly to the extraction zone. And it's as simple as that, guys. Once you finish the mission, you will get a random Lith-Relic and some credits. That's basically the only thing you get from this mission. So with this strategy, you can get one Lith-Relic per minute. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want more quick, concise Warframe tutorials like this, you guys know what to do. Anyways, guys, this has been YungROACH. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.